Hunter with Gleam in the View. Thank you for stopping in to check on us and how we do window screen repair. This is a window screen that is in a very deteriorated state. There's no holes or anything in it, so it's not allowing any bugs in, but it's just deteriorated and unsightly. So as a window cleaner, I don't want to put this screen back on the clean window I just did for you. So if your screens will do that, it's time for new ones. So in building new screens, we're going to replace the corners, brand new white ones, because more than likely yours are yellow. We want to make sure that springs are good. We want to make sure we give you brand new pull tabs. We use white metal ones. They're going to last a long time. We have this jig mechanism that holds the screen frame nice and taut, so we can do a better job at building your screens. This is the spline. We're going to put brand new black charcoal screen mesh in for you. And keep your screen nice and straight. Put it back on the frame nice and even. This is a critical side of the screen. I need to hold this nice and taut, not too tight. Otherwise, this is a long section of screen bar here. It's likely to suck in, and I don't want it to suck in, so I want to hold the screen right where I want the spline to lay in the channel here. Perfect. Last side here. It's a handy little tool. I use it to get around these corners here where the screen roller won't reach very well. Okay, looks like it's all laid in there good. I'm going to trim it. Tabs are in place, spline is all seated in there, good. Screen feels nice and taut, no wrinkles. I'm going to trim off the excess screen very carefully. If you can do it all in one straight pull with your razor blade, it looks better. Otherwise, you start lifting it and starting over again, it starts looking choppy, and well, you're not going to appreciate that. It's going to look nice, clean, just like brand new. Nice, straight, taut, pull tabs work. It's a good screen. So a screen this size is normally about $13. Normal size window screens usually range $13, $15. Screen doors, there's a few different sizes out there, but start around $30 on up to $50. Let us know if we can help you out with yours.